Hey folks, welcome to back my channel. With me today, I'm your teacher today, and today we will discuss about the what is the Python logical operator because it is very important topic and all about the operators discussed in the previous lecture. If you not see the all the videos related to operator, then you can go follow my playlist and you can watch that, and after that you will continue over there if you not understand with what is the operators. Okay, now today in this lecture all cover all about the logical operators cover in this lecture. So without any further delay, now let's get started. Now, guys, the Python logical operator are used to combine conditional statements. That means, suppose now you can see this is my conditional statements, and this is also my conditional statements. We have the minimum two conditionals are required to use the logical operators. Okay. This is my first conditional operator. This is my second conditional operators. Okay, and here in between the 1 and 2 we can use the logical operator. So how many type of a logical operator in the Python? So we have a three type of a logical operator. First is the and, second is the or, and third one is the not. So we have the three type of a logical operator. So what do the and operator? So basically returns true if both statements are the true. Suppose this is my first statement, conditional statement. This is my second conditional statement. In between two statements, use the sorry for that. Use the now here here now use the and. Now here use the and. Now here use the and logical operator. Then what will happen? It when one is true and 2 is also true, then it will returns the true. I think you got it now. In and 2 is the conditional statement, and use the logical and operator, and when both are 1 and 2 are true, then it returns the true value. Suppose first is condition follows and second is also true, then it will return the true. Okay, I think you got it. And so now we're talking about the second example. That means it is we have first conditional statement, we have a second conditional statement, and between these two statements use the or logical operator, and or logical operator, it returns the when anyone is true, then it will returns the true. Suppose this is the first conditional statement, this is my second conditional statement. When anyone is true, suppose this is a, this is a b. When a or b, then when anyone, suppose a true and b false, then it will returns the true. And when a false, b true, it will returns the true. When a false, a true and b true, it will returns the true. When a false and b false, what will happen? It will returns the false. Okay, I think you understand with it. And if you not understand, then I'll show you the example in the program. Okay, and now when we talk about the what is the return, what is the not logical operator. So not logical operator reverse the result. Suppose your answer is the true, and then it will return the false. When answer is the false, then it will return the true. Okay, now we have a two conditions. Two conditions a and b. X is less than 5 and x is greater than 5. In a total result, if the total result is true, then it will return the false. The total result is false, then it will return the true. Okay, and now we have knows about the what is the logical operator. Only two values returns, true or false. And true or false, that type of which type of a values, it is a value and values. So it's enough the theory part, and I think we move ahead and talking about the how to write the program in your in the Python. Okay, so it's time to go on the VS Code. Right now here we have a variable. Suppose a is equals to the 5 and b is equals to the 6. Now here first condition is print. Now a is less than 6. It is true or false? Please say. Uh, yeah, it is a false because a is less than 6, because the value of a is 5. Okay, I think you got it. So now don't worry. So can I use the parenthesis over there? And now I use the another conditional statements. So b is less than 6. B is less than 6. It is true. It is what the result of the values. Okay, now when I click on the button, and now you can see that both are the false. Then what will happen when I use that? So here I use the three operators. First is the three, how many type of logical operator? Three types: or, and not. Now we have the three type of operators here used. So firstly I can use the and operator. Now what is the result? So everyone guess the what is the result of that. I think everyone knows it is the result of yes, this expression is false, because this statement are false and this statement is false, then both are the false, then it will return the false. Okay, and now when I copied, when I control D, and then here use the or operator, and what will happen? It is same thing to do here. Now you can see it result. Now first is the gives the false, and the second is gives the false. That means it is false and it is false, and both are the false, then it will return the false, because our condition says the when any one is the true, and then it will return the true. That means here both are the false, then it will return the false. Now when you want to change the output of that, then you can use the a is less than 6. Yes, it is. We go here, a is less than 6. Yes, and it is the value provided true, but where on the other hand b is less than 6, not false, and then one of any one of them is true, then it will return the true. That means, so what will happen when what is the result of the second thing? Now you can see this is the true, and but first is same thing. It is because here not change the value. Now what will happen? Because it is the true, and now it will return the false. Then what will happen when I click on the run button? Now you can see the same result. Why? Because when the both are true, then it will return the true, and here when both are the false, then it will return the false. Okay, and any of them is true, then it will return the true. Okay, I think you understand. And when I use the same condition over there, now we have a condition. Now what is the output of that? Now everyone knows this is the output is false. Now you can see, and now now you can see this is the output is false, because now third statement is false. And but when I use the not operator, when you use the not, and then output has been changed, you can see it is the true, because this b is less than 6, not because b is equal to 6, but where use the not, then it will reverse the output. I think you got it now. So I think guys, this is the all about the logical operators. In the upcoming videos, and we can use the Python logical operator in the program, so don't worry. And how learn the deeply the logical operator, so don't worry. And if you like the video, then please hit the like button and ring the bell and hit the subscribe button. So thank you so much guys, and thanks for the watching.